Okay, hi everybody, and let's make another video about Python and how to use Python to create HTML and JavaScript file that will make an exercise. Okay, we will show how it is easy to do it with a little effort, and so I'm going to show you the results of this little script here. It's just I think 9 lines of code apart from the template multi-line string here. Let's run it, and there it goes. It opens Google Chrome with an exercise, and that says simply how double is 500, that is 1000, and it writes bravo here or sbagliato down here if it is wrong. And let's see how it is easy to do that. I just started from a template here that, let me see, it was this one that has 2 exercises, and let me delete one of these, and if I run this JavaScript and HTML in the file, I will have here a little exercise. So but let's start. Let's see how we did this. It is very simple. Let's start from the beginning, and let's create the HTML first. So let's call it S1 HTML, and so we want to put the title here. How is the double of 500? And now the answer will be in an input type equal text, and I will call it ed equal e1, like input 1. Then I will have a button maybe to check it. Let me see how I did it here, and I use it on change. Okay, so we will use it on change instead of a button. So on change, what will happen in we will have the we have to put a div here. Let me just copy it to be faster. A div where the result will go. So first of all, on change we are going to put res equal document dot get element by ed, and here we will get the res1 ed, that is this one, so that we can write into this the result. And so document.get element res1, then res into this. I'm gonna do if e1 I'm gonna get the e1 button here. If e1 dot value, so what I inserted into the input box, it's equal to $1,000, I will go into res1 dot this div inner HTML. I will write inside of it. Good. Close this. Else res1 dot inner HTML equal no. It's wrong. it is wrong. Try again. And now I can close this, and I think we're done. Okay. Well, here I use it instead of use this value. Well, let me get the this one here as okay. Here I must put my have to close this. Okay, and I think it's all good. I don't know if I get rid of this. Gotta be a little careful here about no, it is wrong. Why? I have I don't know why this is green for some reason. This is unexpected and the input. It's because probably yeah, that was why. Okay, and right now I want to use this one as a template. So I'm gonna save it now, not like an HTML, but like a Python file. So let's call it like this. Let's put this into a sort of template. Triple apostrophes. And now def, let's make new s with um, title and solution. Okay, now let me delete this and put title in here. And okay, let me write. Now what I'm gonna do is to do global template. Now I'm gonna substitute the fact values with new ones. So the template will be equal template. I'm gonna substitute the title, the word title, with the title variable, that is the one that will pass into here as argument, and template dot replace, of course, and then again I'm gonna replace 1000 with the new solution. And so now let's create the new the new exercise. Let me put an X. And how is the triple of 500? And it is, well, let me write it here like this. Okay, now we should have a new exercise here. And let me do, well, we do need to return the template. Let me just with open new.html in write mode and coding equal UTF-8 for strange character to be correctly shown. Now let's write the template. Okay, now it should work. We should see something, and then we need to make it open without having to go in the folder. Use start file. Don't know if this and Apple system works. Gotta find another solution for this, and we're gonna start new.html. I've missed a T here. What is the typo of this one? Yes, good. And this one, it's not good. Okay, so is how you can do it. Now let's see, I don't know if you want to make more of this like this. Let me see it. It won't probably work, but let me put this one down here. Because There are no more of these. Okay, so we should go and do template 2 and template 2 like this. Yeah. Okay, now it doesn't work because we need a counter here. No, yeah, a counter, and we need to replace this one. So replace this one with list plus string counter, and also E1. And then counter plus equal 1, equal 1 here. It's E1, E2, ris1, ris1. Now it's not changing because, yes, ris1. Template 2. Here I must put template 2 and template 2. It's wrong. This is good. Why the first one is wrong? Oh yeah, because it's Okay, now it works, and now I think we can make as many of these as we want. And yeah, I can put this. Okay, let me just write here. Do not touch this. Now change this code below. Add here your exercises. End of exercises. Okay, so this is how you can make your questions. Yeah. It's easy. Yeah. With no, just adding the question and the answer here, and you can put as many as you want. You can also put here true false thing with, you know, you could do like is it Rome the capital of Italy? Yes, dash no, and you put here right answer is yes. Go here, is it capital? Yes, good. Okay, that is all for our series of exercise. We are making many of these examples. You can do it in many different ways. This is one of these. We are using lately this sort of template strings in which we do one time, just one times the exercise, and then we replace it with pieces with just the thing that we need to change to make it easier to create HTML files on our sites. But we want to make it with Python so that is easier, because we love Python, but JavaScript, it's easier to use it on the client side on the internet. So if you are very in a hurry, you wanna make something quick, use this kind of code to make it. You can find it on my blog that is in the description of this video, and under the video here of YouTube. So go, and we will maybe later make something a little more nice for the style, the design of the test and everything. And maybe we could use also Firebase to store the the answers of your students on Firebase, so that you can check later what they how they did the text, and so on. So for now, it's everything. And if you like this kind of use of Python to make exercises and other stuff, go to my blog and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and to the next video.